Hello beautiful people, dear friends, how are you doing today? It's another interesting time to do pre-London session chart market commentary or review. Today is going to be interesting as always. All right, yesterday I was unable to do any video because I was busy with something else. Notwithstanding, we are here, right? Like I did pointed that in my ideas published, I said if the Fed hike rate by 25 basis points, the dollar is going to be weakening, going to experiencing sell-off, and that's going to send the pairs higher, right? That what I mean is the GU and the EU that I watched, right? Of course, if you remember, I said I published this idea, right, in one of my ideas. By the way, I published some ideas on Bitcoin and S&P 500 index. You can go check it out, right? I think the idea I published when I said, okay, right here, somewhere around here, when I said price is going to come back to the midpoint, then reject. That's exactly what is stay here, right? So now that's that. And what do we expect today? Price is already playing out nicely. Price really move really far too fast, right? So what do we expect right away? Today is another interesting day for news, right? The pound is expecting rate hike. Of course, 25 basis points is what I expect, and that's gonna bring some little chalk. Will they do 50? Don't know. Okay, of course the euro also. So today really, and the news is coming out by 1 p.m. at time, so there's really no need to engage this morning. I'll just wait after the news, or probably look for a setup pre-news, right? Whatever it is, I'm gonna be active. So that's what I encourage you to also do. There's really no position to price has moved up, so we expect kind of consolidation settlement for another move, right? Same thing for the GU. By the way, I have recovered from my is it early this week, right? Early the week lots, right? I've recovered slightly in profit, so probably by later today I might likely make the profit for the week. Tomorrow is NFP, so all right, let me just try to paint an expectation here on daily time frame. I'll just kind of measure what happened yesterday, right? At the I don't know if I can be exact, but at the 1.10405 for the GU level, if I see a reversal pattern playing out here, I'm gonna sell off. And of course, somewhere around 1.09271 is also a good area to buy. This level also is also a good area to buy, depending the setup. Of course, that's going to coincide with okay, not really, but if I see a good setup around here, same thing. If I want to apply that principle, right, for the GU, we just measure, right? By the way, this is one of the ideas I published, right? You can clearly see first target retested. I did state that in the idea I published, so you can go check it out for verification. Also on my website, I'll leave the link below. And guys, please go to my Telegram and subscribe immediately. It's free, so you get updates whenever I see any good setup. So for the GU, 1.24268 to be a nice sell-off red. That will coincide with the kind of like a resistance level. So if I see a setup for a sell, I will sell despite the fact I'm bullish. I see a setup right there. Painting, gonna sell to somewhere around this level, right? Yeah, so that's that. Of course, you all know the drill for the DXY. It couldn't break our expectations, so the downside is the calling, right? I said I'm not expecting the price to come all the way here because the rate is already slowing down. The rate hike is already slowing down, so you can clearly see price couldn't meet up, couldn't break above it, break below. Now we can relatively expect price to retest the midpoint or retest the low, right? Whichever one for price to go down. What I simply mean is price can go do this midpoint somewhere here, then continue downward, right? Or another scenario, price can just do this, then continue downward. And of course, there's also a scenario that price will go up, right? Which is very unlikely due to the circumstances surrounding the Fed hike, right? All right, that's it for now. Later in the day, we'll do intraday. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Please don't forget to smash the like button. It means a lot. Smash the subscribe button. Of course, follow if you're on Facebook and Instagram, wherever you are. Please follow up right away. See you later. Bye for now.